Hey everyone, this is Chris from Drift Outfitters, and today we're going to show you how to use a fly box with a slit foam or silicone mat to it. They both work on the same principle, but we do see a lot of people who have confusion when they first get a hold of these boxes. It's a great concept that keeps your boxes intact for longer and keeps you from having to pierce and tear apart the foam or silicone mat to your box. The way that these guys work is that if you look at them, they have slits cut through the foam already, and that's what your fly is meant to slide into. All that you have to do to get your fly into one of these boxes is take it and push the bend of the hook, not the point, but the bend, back into one of these notches toward the back, and it'll seat into one of those slots. It'll sit just like so. When you take it out, you pull it straight out, and now you've done no damage to the box. It'll last much, much longer for you. That's for a foam box. For a silicone box, it's the exact same process, but it's sometimes not as obvious that they are slit, as silicone tends to stick quite closely to itself, and so you can't always see the slits, but again, it's the same concept. You just find one of those notches and you push back into it. It'll be a little tighter than the foam, again, just by the nature of the material, and it'll find that slot and sit very nicely there for you. That's how you use a slit foam or silicone mat.